Welcome back to my channel, my loves and my lovelies. I'm just showing you guys my plants that I have started a while back. Here we have red peppers. It has a few blooms on it. I pruned it a few weeks ago. And then I have my okra plant. These okra plants have grew overnight, literally. And then I have cucumbers. I'm so excited about the cucumbers. I can't wait to get some cucumbers off of that. My tomato plant, I had to prune it real good. It was so bushy. It had got so bushy, it was ridiculous. But you see we have blooms. So I can't wait to get some tomatoes off of it. And of course, I love my lavender for my bath. Bell peppers here, you see we have a little small baby bell pepper growing. Another pepper plant, I think this is red peppers. Pruned it a little bit. And this is, I want to say, yeah, this is cucumber. Can't wait to get some cucumbers. And the okra again. We grew up eating a lot of okra. I really don't care for okra, but Lord knows if anything happens, you can eat some okra. And then we have our bell pepper, green bell pepper plant here. And then we have a little small one, and we have a couple of more blooms. This is the banana pepper. I have harvested off of it a few times. And of course, the strawberry plant, which is doing real good, except she hasn't given me any strawberries yet, but I'm pretty sure it'll come. I had to put some shade over my plants because the sun is just entirely too bright. Oh, and I found me a runner, but it looks like the sun has fried it. So I'm gonna have to get out here and try to repot that little piece. It's still green, so it's alive, but it's wilted because of the sun. But yeah, these are my plants. Gotta grow some kind of food for yourself. Gotta start somewhere. And it's cloudy out here today, so thank you again, my loves and my lovelies. You guys, please hit that subscribe button for me. I will see you in the next video.